In San Diego, homes that are 45 years or older are reviewed to determine if they have historical value. So what makes a home historical? Design or time period, persons who live there, historical events held on the property, or the fact that it was worked on by a notable architect, designer, artist, or craftsman. If you have a historical home, getting designation can be a great investment, especially with the Mills Act, where there's a significant property tax reduction. For additions or exterior remodeling on historical homes, it's important that the design complies with city requirements to pull permits. Sometimes it's as simple as contrasting finishes like stucco texture and color to define the original building. Also, architectural features must be preserved and the theme of the new work complementary. When it's time to remodel your historic home, I recommend consulting with a home improvement professional who is knowledgeable about historical design and construction in San Diego. This will save you time, money, and ensure that you get the best value when remodeling.